Welcome to Memphis Zoo Vision. Today we're going to be talking about naked mole rats. There are around 30 different kinds of mole rat, and the most well-known variety is the naked one, called such because of their distinctly bald bodies. They do actually have about 100 fine hairs, which act like whiskers, giving them information about their environment. They even have some hairs in between their toes that aid in shoveling dirt. For them, having a body covered in fur is unnecessary. They spend almost all their time underground, so they don't need fur to protect them from sunburn, and if it gets too cold, well, they'll huddle together in a big rat pile. The reason they're called mole rats is because they build large, subterraneous, or underground, burrows. Their society is surprisingly similar to that of insects like bees, termites, and ants. They even have complex vocalizations that sound like little birds tweeting to a human ear. Several dozen mole rats will live together in a colony dominated by one rat, who is their queen. She is the only female rat allowed to breed and have young, having up to 90 babies in her lifetime. Some of the rats tend to the needs of the queen, and others are workers, foraging for food and excavating the burrows with their nose and large buck teeth, which continuously grow. The naked mole rat is in the family Rodentia with other rats, but is more closely related to the chinchilla and prehensile-tailed porcupine. These little critters are native to Africa, where they have a pretty wide range in the savanna and desert. Most food is found while digging around. They harvest plants from the root, eating just enough to fill a belly, but leaving the plant intact so it may continue to grow. They are the leaders in sustainable farming. The naked mole rat is unlike any other rat. They can live for 30 years, compared to a 3 or 4 year lifespan in other rats. And they are also cancer resistant. No naked mole rat has ever been recorded to have had cancer. The key to their cancer-free bodies? Sugar. Not the kind in cookies, but a super sugar that is produced in their bodies, and somehow this sugar keeps cells from overcrowding like a hall monitor. The reason for this sugary compound? It keeps their skin stretchy. The cancer blocking is just a bonus. Researchers have found that while the mole rat looks old and wrinkly, they truly show no signs of aging. No doubt scientists are trying to figure out why they don't seem to age and how we can use their special sugar for humans to fight against cancer. So we have a lot of reasons to thank the hairless wonder from the depths of African soil. Not everything about the naked mole rat is fascinating in a good way. One of the practices they have is downright disgusting. The naked mole rat obviously lives in a place that's dark, and they don't have very good vision. So one of the easiest ways to identify their family from foe is by smell. So they take a poop bath. This is so they all smell the same, so they can identify a foreigner in the hive. If you've been intrigued by our cancer-free, anti-aging, and somewhat smelly companions, come see them inside the Animals of the Night building. This has been a presentation from Memphis Zoo Vision. Thanks for watching.